Tom here with Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling. If you're noticing any of the following symptoms, it is likely that your furnace venting is blocked and needs to be cleared. Your furnace seems to be running more than usual. Your furnace sounds like it's trying to start repeatedly. You can smell gas near your furnace. You can hear loud, unusual noises when your furnace turns on. Your furnace is not producing any heat. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to act immediately and clear your furnace venting or call a professional. Failure to do so could result in dangerous gases building up in your home or your furnace becoming damaged. Here are some recommendations for clearing your furnace venting. Make sure that the power is turned off before attempting to see if your venting is blocked or if you need to clear the venting. Check the outside of your home for any blockages. This could be anything from snow to leaves, so it's important to clear any debris that may be blocking the vent. Use a flashlight to see if there is anything further down the vent pipe, such as balls, rocks, or nests. If you're still having trouble, contact a professional to help clear the venting for you. Ensuring your furnace venting is clear is an important task to keep your furnace running smoothly and safely. The best recommendation is to have an annual furnace maintenance and tune-up. During your furnace maintenance, a licensed professional will inspect the entire venting system, giving you peace of mind and avoiding any costly and untimely breakdowns. Check out our Comfort Club, making annual maintenance affordable and convenient. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are always happy to help. We look forward to working with you soon. Take care.